Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Lonza Bioscience Informatics and NNIT will host a free 60-minute webinar to discuss the key requirements of next-generation manufacturing execution systems, MES, and how small and medium-sized companies can overcome critical implementation challenges for accelerated pharma digitalization. Webinar attendees will also have the chance to engage with the expert presenters in a live QA session following the webinar. However, MES implementation projects have traditionally been viewed as complex, time and resource-intensive, and inaccessible to smaller organizations. In the case of cell and gene therapy, CGT manufacturing, available systems often need extensive customization to accommodate inherent workflow complexities, further complicating deployment. In March 2021, the two companies partnered in a bid to overcome the time-consuming and costly nature of MES implementation across the industry. Webinar. MES for the Future. Speakers, Robert Lutskus, Director Commercial Operations, Lonza Bioscience Informatics Thomas Halfmann, Global Head Production Laboratory, NNIT Moderator, Sinéad Cowman, Global Business Development Marketing Manager, Lonza Bioscience Informatics Tuesday 25 January 2022. For more information about upcoming and on-demand webinars, please visit our webinar page. About Lonza Lonza is the preferred global partner to the pharmaceutical, biotech and nutrition markets. We work to enable a healthier world by supporting our customers to deliver new and innovative medicines that help treat a wide range of diseases. We achieve this by combining technological insight with world-class manufacturing, scientific expertise and process excellence. With approximately 15,000 employees, we comprise high-performing teams and individual talent that make a meaningful difference to our own business, as well as to the communities in which we operate. Find out more at www.lonza.com about NNIT. The NNIT Group provides a wide range of IT and consulting services to the global life sciences industry and has been a trusted partner to life sciences companies for more than 25 years. Our headquarters are based in the international hubs of the pharmaceutical industry, from where they provide end-to-end IT consultancy services across the entire value chain. We work in lab environments, clinical operations, regulatory affairs, manufacturing, supply chain and on-system validation across the value chain. It is in this diverse mix, we bring people and technology together, create and deliver ideas to serve our life sciences customers in solution areas such as development, implementation, validation and operation of IT. All our solutions are based on industry best practices and can be integrated with the existing IT landscape and are fully compliant with the demands of the FDA, EMA and other regulators. Read more about NNIT Life Sciences here. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.